Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change recovery email in Gmail. So for that, at first just go to Gmail. Now just click the top right your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. Now just scroll here and click on security. Again scroll here and here you can see in the bottom recovery email. Click on it. Here you need to just give your email's password. Now just click on next. Now just remove this email and put another email. Now just click on next. There will be a verification code sent to your new recovery email. You need to give it here. Now just click on verify. Here you can see recovery email verified. So guys, that's how you can change recovery email. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.